food critic in tonight.
But now, the party's over. Jordan can't get this cast of friends to...
It's real mold. I see.
No. Habits die hard.
Still never did bend down and touch it. It was a big thing of denial for him.
I really wish I had a mask on me right now.
I'm done.
I don't think it's burnt, honest.
No way, madam. Yeah?
He's trying to cut corners. I'm just so frustrated that
How can we not have a chef? The rest. Then what is that? Oh my god.
this is ridiculous. We're all kind of freaking out.
In control of the situation.
I don't know what to do. John, why do they say
Out.
unbelievable?
Gordon insists on the stage.
There you go. 114, Steve. Look. Unbelievable. All right, let's just get. It's disgusting. Yeah. Hello. Get rid of it. Okay. It's all rotten. Just do you toss it? Yeah.
Here we are.
Give me an answer. Oh no.
not really sure.
Doesn't that mean anything to you?
I just felt like I was being picked on.
Has gone. Yes, it's small.
Pretty bold statement.
Excellent.
Point, I'm held accountable for all the inventory that the owners have paid. Where is he? 3. Honest to God, the last.
Let me say something. I booked 8 parties.
To make it look authentic. Look at it. Mine. Come in.
Various beef tips.
Beef bits in blood.
That's nasty.
If I doesn't want to deal with the back of the house is falling.
With Aaron still fighting to get his staff on board.
Yes, sir.
You know.
It was one of
Intensifies.
What is going on here?
Because of these little here.
Look at them.